Hey, baby girl. How are you? So, watch this video. Nature walks. Where's the sound? For some reason my internet's not working for full screen, but I was watching it with my little baby girl, and I noticed the window here, there's some bushes that probably could see what I was watching, so I thought I'd go out and ask them what they thought of that video. Hey, Mr. Bushes. Did you see that video? I was wondering what you thought of it.
There, without, any benefit to us. Thanks.
Really? So, I just finished watching this video by these people in the Great Lakes or somewhere, and I don't know where, but I noticed there's a tree right outside the window, and it was Nature Walk, so I thought I'd go interview the tree. Hey, Mr. Tree, I couldn't help but notice you're able to see my flippin' video out there. I was wondering what you thought.
Hi!
Oh, yes, hi.
Oh, yes! We like those videos, but they're hard to hear. You need to open the window a little bit.
Oh,
and keep the blinds open, too.
okay.
Well, since you mention it, would you mind sprinkling some of that compost around here? Well, since you mentioned it, would you mind sprinkling a little of that compost around here?
Sure.
I'm sick of looking at it sitting there without, any benefit to us. Thanks. Yeah, don't mention it.
Okay. Hey. So I just watched this video by these people out by the Great Lakes. I don't know where they're from. I haven't researched that yet. But it was called Nature Walks. And I noticed there's a tree that might have seen it from, where the screen is. So I thought I'd go out and have my own little conversation because I wanted to get to know my shrubbery around here. Hey, Mr. Tree, how are you doing?
Hi.
I was wondering what you thought of that video that's in this movie, in this window here.
Oh, yes. We like those videos, but they're hard to hear. You need to open the window a little bit.
Oh, I'm sorry, okay.
And keep the blinds open, too.
All right, well, since I came out here, and we haven't talked before, is there anything else you'd like to tell me?
Well, since you mentioned